I like the Drinktainer bottle because in today's market, you want to stand out. And this clearly makes you stand out. For 135 years, we've delighted consumers. And the Drinktainer bottle will make us do that in the future. Hey, Sarah.
Hey, Fred.
How are you?
I'm doing well. How about you?
Great. How was the trip in?
It was good. Always good to come and visit you guys in beautiful Utica.
Yeah, look at these.
I know. Aren't these fantastic?
This is fruits of our hard work.
Yes, I know.
This is really awesome.
You know, when we set out to create this package, we really thought about what's the most optimal drinking experience. And it's all about the wide mouth, getting the aroma and the mouthfeel.
And this is a unique and different package that we know when somebody sees it and picks it up, the chance that they're going to purchase it is much higher than just a standard product.
Yeah, they're really going to stand out on shelf, I think, in a really big way. You know, the other thing that's really a game changer with this is that we really understood that having an integrated fill solution for it was going to be critical. You appreciate this premium solution and have that desire to innovate the same way that we do. It's really a beautiful turnkey solution that I don't think exists today.
Our philosophy is be innovative, be disruptive, give the consumer something that they haven't seen before, and that's how you win.
Yeah, everything is stock ready to go. We have a couple different designs, and it should be a no-brainer, I think.
Yeah.
Overall, we're really trying to make this not only a premium, beautiful solution at shelf, but a sustainable one as well.
We're excited to launch the product. We're excited to work with you guys, and I hope this is many more joint ventures as we go forward.
Yeah, we agree. Yeah, we're really excited for it.
Let's cheers.
Yeah, let's cheers to that.
Cheers.
Cheers.